are with me. Tom Vadakan, the Congress, it seems, as Manisha Priyam was saying, is trying to target what was the BJP's or is the BJP's core vote bank. Is the BJP worried?
Not at all. We are flattered. I mean, this desperate attempt is a desperate attempt to ensure that they are trailing somewhere, and they know it. This entire rally that was organized, I received a Twitter message from one of their general secretaries saying this is about price rise. And when price rise, where does Hindu or Hindutva come? It affects all of us. And we are concerned about it.
Gaurav Palak, do you want to respond to that? You
Yes.
wanted a Mehengai Hatao rally. That was the rally,
Yes.
right? I mean,
Yes.
and then how did the conversation move to Hindu versus Hindutva? Are you playing the politics of majoritarianism because that's what you think is going to work for you in the upcoming UP elections?
No, that is what we are saying. That why this price rise is happening, because the government at the center is talking about religions. And that is what we want to say, that their approach is Hindutva, their approach is Hindutvadi, their approach is Satyagrahi, their approach is Nathuram Godse, their
No,
approach
how
is
are you
hate and fear
countering their
for...
argument? If you're accusing them of playing politics of religion, you're doing exactly the same thing. You call a rally on the subject of Mehengai Hatao and then you're talking about Hindu versus Hindutva.
No. We just want to convey that what Prime Minister and what Yogi ji is doing, sometimes Samshan Kabristan, sometimes hate and fear for other religions.
But the BJP says you're handing out certificates right now. You're handing out certificates right now.
Let me complete, ma'am. So when you are having an agenda of hate and fear for other religions, when you are having agenda of violence, when you are having an agenda of hatredness, when you are having an agenda that beat the person on the road till the time he is not died, then naturally economy takes the back seat. Then naturally you are fail F grade in governance. That is what is happening. And that is what we want to convey to the people of our country.
Okay.
That Hindutwadi Soch is a divisionary Soch. The idea of India is not Hindutwadi.
Okay.
The idea of India is Hinduvadi.
Tom Vadakan, do you want to respond to that? What the Congress is trying to do is trying to tell the people that your agenda is divisive politics. That's what they want to expose.
70 years and counting. What kind of development does this Professor Saab's party and his president and subsequent prime ministers have done? What development has been done is on track. What development that has happened in this country is a miracle. And it is led by the Prime Minister from the front. The desperation is being seen here. And this is only
But the question is, who's talking about development? It doesn't seem like the BJP is talking about development. Doesn't seem like the Congress is talking about development. Gaurav Palak?
Our agenda is development. We are doing that. You can see it all over the place. You travel to UP, you travel to the Northeast, you travel anywhere. The highways, the projects that are being completed, the aerodromes that are coming up, the railway stations that are staying. We don't have to create anything. We are there.